a skilled craftsperson who makes things by hand, especially traditional or handloom items. Try to tell the story. Every week holds a legacy. Let's celebrate the hand that weaves India. A very cheerful morning to each and everyone present here. Today we are gathered here to celebrate a day that is not just about clothes or fabric. It's about identity, culture and the strength of Indian culture.
Today on 7th August, we commemorate a moment that became the starting point of something greater than we expected. The Swadeshi movement, launched on this day in 1905, was not just about rejecting the British goods, it was about reclaiming our self-respect.
And at the heart of this movement was something very humble, yet very powerful. The Indian handloom. When traditional made clothes flooded on the Indian market, it was the handloom sector that suffered the most.
That's when our weavers become a silent warrior of independence. The movement was just a step in gaining India's independence.
Handloom is one of the oldest and the most important symbols of our cultural heritage. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, from Gujarat to Assam, every region has its own weaving art, rich and deep, deeply rooted in the tradition.
Yes, whether it's Banarsi silk, Chanderi or Kanchipuram, each sari, each dupatta carries the touch of the weaver's soul and centuries-old craftsmanship.
Do you all know that our country is home to over 2.5 million handloom weavers, most of whom are women? They are skilled hand create magic using simple looms, creating out that the world admires and values.
Oh really? And handloom is not just beautiful, it is eco-friendly, sustainable and supports rural livelihood. It takes patience, precision and love to make even a single piece. Isn't that worth preserving?
And to celebrate these hands that are heritage, will bring you a special Caribbean handloom clothes, a Cocktail edition style and design.
Kurtas, dupattas and khadi you all see are made by the weavers of India on wooden looms with time, patience and pride.
As these handloom inspirations grace the stage, let us remember when you choose handloom, you are not just dropping the dreams and devotion of our weavers.
Let us remember, supporting handloom means supporting local artisans, sustainable climate and India's self-relevant spirit.
Let us all pledge to promote handloom in our everyday lives through what we wear, what we give or what we value. Because handloom is not just fashion, it's India's pride.
Handloom once played a role in winning our freedom. Today, it can play a role in preserving our identity, reviving rural India and building a sustainable future.
Let's wear our culture with pride. Let's carry forward the moment with threads of tradition and hearts full of hope.
Once again, wishing you all a very happy National